Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this Samsung. First of all, just go into Play Store and click on the search bar. After that, you need to type in DevCheck and install this free app from Flar2 developer. DevCheck device and system info. When your app is ready, open it. Now, thanks to it, you can learn all the information about your Samsung's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and even sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!